This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Giovanna Fernandez. The perfect place to call home. Beautifully designed, contemporary townhouse offers the ideal floor plan. Spacious living areas downstairs with tons of natural light. Spacious kitchen is open to the family/dining area overlooking the lovely private patio area, perfect for enjoying weekend barbecues. Upstairs the bedrooms provide plenty of space and closets for extra storage. Other features include lovely window shears and blackout shades, washer and dryer upstairs, 2 parking spaces, and lovely fixtures. Excellent location, low maintenance fees and amenities to include clubhouse, pools, play area, and gym. For more information, review the details below.